Hillbilly Honda YouTube channel.
Oh, hell yeah.
What's up, everybody? We're out here early wee morning, couple cups of coffee. We're trying to get the old, I mean, you got a name for this thing, dude?
What?
You got a name for this thing?
No.
This
Mad Max.
The Mad Max Beast Chinese moped creation. We'll just call it that for now. I don't know. It's full of some gnarliness. How about that? Will it live again? That is the question. There's tons of gas coming out.
No, it's because I'm forcing it.
Oh.
I think my car might be plugged.
We can take it off and clean it real quick. Oh no. Oh, it's just pouring oil.
Yeah.
But hey, it started.
Whew. That carburetor off and clean it.
Why is it not? Oh, that came out of the engine that sat for a year. A year?
Yeah.
It just said, I had too much. Blah. Alright, let's see it. Oh, ew.
What is that, chunky?
What is that?
Is that like animal?
Let's just say that that's not what it should look like for everybody. Just what is that? That's not oil.
It's definitely not oil.
That's not oil. Oh, it's smoking. Yeah?
Yeah, you're gonna have to clean the carb. She's not wanting to suck my gas.
Well, you're there. We're just throwing a new one.
Right.
It should be problem solver right there. I got a new carburetor right here. Not new, but it should bolt up, right?
Yeah, it should.
Wait, you want to put that on it? Put that so you don't have to. You want to put that? Oh yeah, here we go. New carb and all the goodies. Getting ready to go on. There's the leaky culprit right there. How in the world is that gasket still good? I've broken more than frickin' gaskets. How do you not break those?
I haven't broke one yet.
Dude, I broke like 10 of them.
Plus I get them for free all the time at the junkyard. So.
No. Well, snag them up because I'm sick of paying $3 and then having to ship them.
Damn.
There goes the oldie. For the semi-newy, watch it not bolt up. Should bolt right on there.
Should.
Hell yeah. See, when you're doing this, there's a little plastic gasket that goes between the intake pipe and the carburetor itself. Now, I might be the only person that I might hold the record for breaking them. I don't know. Let's look into it. Well, hey.
Or like a kid, don't even need to adjust that car.
Good, because there's no adjustments. She's a running. Although she is burning some oil. gotta get rid of them skeeters. Yeah, let's get an air filter on there.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh hell yeah.
Ready, baby.
Oh yeah. Back from the graveyard.
Just like that.
Goodbye. Oh yeah, oh. Got it.
Nice, so you videoing live? Right on, brother.
Right on, brother.
Woo.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. What do you think? Oh, hell yeah? Funky Bunch says no. Hillbilly Honda. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, yeah, hell yeah.